Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hanong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
U nongelam jong kaliang persya ke yeng dor barthau an u Dr. Mukul Sangma u balong ru menteri rang ba barim jong ke jela ula dawa ya ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance bakadai ban penshitom ye ki breu ki badan kti ha ke jingkit to ye u doyong u bakot hado iway point south huway lak metric ton na West Gentia Hills District kad hado bakani ke jingle butto kalawanra ye ke jingdo nong ke bakrau ye ke pelateng ka jong ke Sarkar jela. Dangshen Dr. Mukul Sangma ubalongru unongelam jong ke seng kongres hakane ke jela ulalait ban ujorru sha ke Meghalaya Loka Yukta persya ya ke jingti bean bat khayi bean yu doyong ha ke jela kabalong persya ya ke Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act kat kendai spa san punyo bat ya ke hukum bala penjari de ke National Green Tribunal banti bat bansyalan bean yu doyong nepo kene ke jela Meghalaya ke Meghalaya Loka Yukta kabala syong bishar ya kini kam kala penmi ru de ka hukum ha ka khat khandai tarik urumpang arjar arpuway da ka bapenpau ya ka jings hun halor ki senjam bala shim de ka Sarkar jela ki bala penpau lengba ki affidavit bat lengba ki kaipon na chief secretary jong ka Sarkar jela bat na investigating officer ubala sha apen kamti ban penlong ya ka jingto kit halor kini ka mukot duma bala mudui ejahar da Dr. Mukul.
That material was also provided to me by an RTI activist, based on which I have gone. So what is the material? What does the material indicate? In as far as the quantity is concerned, it's a 1,41,000 metric ton. Now when we went, I could understand that the quantity was not as it was indicated after a few months of that report. Because that report was given in the month of, I think probably in the month of June or July. So we have gone subsequently after 3 or 4 months. I don't remember the exact date when we went. But nonetheless, now the visit has indicated one thing, which is in the interpretation of law of prima facie case, indicating that there has been lifting of those coal because 1,41,000 metric ton was not there anymore. So that means the quantity of coal which was there as per the assessment report has disappeared. How has it disappeared? That means it has been either lifted illegally, in connivance with the people in authority, and unless there is an investigation, proper investigation, it cannot be found out. But it's a prima facie case of substantial amount of coal which has been transported illegally without paying royalty or without giving any revenue to the government. So it's a prima facie case. That means somebody has entered into a criminal conspiracy to allow this to happen, thereby depriving the state from its own revenue. So it attracts the provision of Prevention of Corruption Act 1988. The government should file a case under that provision. Find out where that the balance has gone. The rest, what they are saying is that they have given order for seizing and auctioning. That is a different part in relation to the section 21 of the MMDR Act 1957. That is exactly what is required to be done when there are some more left. But then what about the one which has been lifted illegally without paying the revenue for the government? Who is responsible for that? And how much money has been, that way from the exchequer's point of view, from the government's exchequer point of view, siphoned off through this whole modus operandi? I have said that these are well-scripted modus operandi. So this well-scripted modus operandi will not be known easily unless one understands why the script has been prepared and what is the intention behind this script. So it's a prima facie case. That means the state has been robbed of the revenue, the royalty. So the government must try to recover this revenue which has been lost and go after the perpetrators of criminal, put them behind the bars, prosecute them as per the law. Please remember one thing. Section 21, subsection 1, provides imprisonment for violation of the provisions of the MMDR Act, any illegalities pertaining to MMDR Act, attracting this section 21. And subsection, I think 6 of the section 21, if I'm correct, either 5 or 6, but I think I am remembering correctly. Subsection 6 of the section 21 of the MMDR Act says that it's a cognizable offense. What do you mean by cognizable offense? Cognizable offense is cognizable offense. So when we are saying that take action as per law, they have to interpret this whole action in consistent with this provision. Otherwise, everybody will be responsible for hiding the fact, for destroying the evidence, whether it is officer or anybody. For destruction of evidence, that is itself is again criminal offense.